Welcome back. In this final lesson of this section, we will revisit some of the main takeaways for the exam. This is definitely not a reason to skip the section, but just to serve as a summary of the section. We will start off with what AWS EC2 instances are. Remember that EC2 instances are basically virtual machines as a service. We can configure these EC2 instances for our workload needs so that the instance and the operating system is handled by us, the AWS customer. Also, don't forget we use AMIs to launch an EC2 instance, and we can create our own AMIs with EBS snapshots. The host hardware is managed by AWS, so any failures, replacements, or hardware updates that need to take place will all be done by Amazon. Don't forget, we use user data to save time. We use user data to launch commands on start. This will configure any settings we want in our EC2 operating system in an automated way. We can leverage EC2 metadata or data about our EC2 instances to run the same user data scripts across different EC2 instances because EC2 metadata contains information like the instance ID and the elastic IP. Let's quickly move on to the common ports in AWS security groups. We used SSH on port 22 to SSH into our EC2 instances. And that port is also used for SFTP, or Secure File Transfer Protocol. Remember that port 3389 is for Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, for our Windows instances. The other common ports, like port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS, or Secure HTTP. Don't forget that security groups act as a virtual firewall for our EC2 instances. They block or allow anything coming into our EC2 instance based on inbound rules, and that outbound rules control the flow of traffic leaving our instance. These virtual firewalls are stateful, so anything allowed in is automatically allowed out. Finally, don't forget to use IAM roles to grant access to your EC2 instance to other resources instead of access keys. That's it for the section summary. I'll see you in the next section.